Hi everyone, how are you doing? Recently I cut my hair first time in US and I am feeling great. Since my hair became nice and shiny, I want to keep my hair nice. I've changed a couple of hair products and it is great. I've got lots of compliments about my hair. So in this video, I will share my hair care routine. As you can see, my hair was very long and I didn't cut my hair for a year now. It is very dry and frizzy. I was afraid of going to a hair salon in US, but I gave it a shot. My hair looks shiny and smooth after I cut my hair, and I'm very happy to have my healthy hair back. Now I'm gonna go to Sephora to buy new hair care items. It's been so long since last time I went to Sephora because all stores are closed for a while in California. I see Rare Beauty and Patrick K Cosmetic, very appealing. But today I'm here to just buy hair products, so let's get the items. I wanted to try OLAPLEX product so long, but I somehow thought this product is only for bleached hair. But my friend recommended to me to use them even my hair is not bleached, so let's try out. I always stop by and ended up buying many products near cashier. It is very attractive. Well, I didn't plan to buy the shampoo, but I will try the mini size. I usually use this hair island brush to blow my hair. I can't blow my hair using hair dryer, but this is very easy to use. Before using the hair island, I applied the number 6 bond smoother to my hair. A bit heavy cream texture, but it is not sticky at all. And smells so good. After that, I apply number 7 bonding oil to my hair. This makes my hair shiny and smooth. I used to use this Giovanni oil, but this is not great, not bad, just not significant difference to my hair. This shampoo blows my mind. I didn't expect much, but it was great. Easy to form and it does not make my hair coarse. I feel like my hair is more smooth and silky after shampooing my hair. Lastly, this was my new discovery at Sephora. This is the overnight sleeping hair mask. First, apply this to dry hair. I apply this mask to the tip of my hair. Wear the shower cap and sleep. When I woke up on the next day, the shower cap was still on my head. I just rinsed off and my hair feels so moisturized and smooth. I'll definitely buy this product again. I really enjoy using products that I mentioned in the video, even though the OLAPLEX products are a bit pricey, but it is worth it. I've received a lot of compliments about my hair and I'm happy that I tried this product, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't, and I will see you soon. Bye!